Hey guys, hopefully you had a wonderful day. Still getting covered in snow. It's becoming a beautiful night. It looks beautiful out there. Whatever that melted, it's gonna refreeze overnight. We're gonna have some slick spots on the road and stuff. I didn't hear anything major bad today. Wrap things up, and this is probably the last video tonight. We still got days in with snow on the ground. So like I say, whatever that's on the ground that's melted, it will refreeze. And make sure you check in the morning on the closure before you head out. I'll probably get up and walk the road around 6 o'clock in the morning. This is Charles.